Good day everyone. In today's video presentation we are going to showcase the hidden mode features which is available in Dragon Medical software. This feature is extensively used by the doctors who are using multiple windows, especially the radiologist doctor or the teleradiologist doctor who has only single screen to see and images to report. So this can also be used in the applications where EMR or HIS where the multiple screens are there to operate. So basically what happens is the Dragon operates on the background and you can simply dictate your reports on the background. So let's quickly move on to the video presentation. Open Microsoft Word. Hidden mode on. So what you can do is, if you can also scroll your images and look into the images, and then also same time you can dictate the reports. MRI of brain without contrast, new paragraph. Findings colon, new line. The brain is normal in signal intensity and morphology for the age, full stop. There is no extra-axial fluid collection, full stop. There is no hydrocephalus / midline shift, full stop, new line. Posterior fossa 7th and the 8th nerve complex and the intraorbital contents are within normal limits, full stop, new line. The normal vascular flow volumes are maintained, full stop, new line. The paranasal sinuses are clear, full stop, new line. Diffusion images demonstrated no area of abnormally restricted diffusion that suggests acute infarct, full stop, new line. New line. Impression colon, normal MRI brain, especially no findings to explain the patient's headache are identified, full stop. In this way the doctor looks at the images and he dictates everything and comes back to the application where he wants to type and says transfer text. The whole reports gets ready in front of him. So this is a very beautiful feature which is available with the Dragon software. For more updates, stay tuned to this video channel. Thank you.